Planning a landscape. Conduct a site evaluation, identify positive and negative features, and environmental conditions of the planting site or landscape. Site evaluation. The purpose of the site evaluation is to record existing structures and features of the landscape. Sun. Sun. Indicate on your map areas that receive full sun. Wind. Wind. Identify what areas are relatively exposed to strong winds, and what areas are sheltered by buildings. Topography. Topography. Low spots tend to remain wet and experience more frost than uphill areas. Steep slopes create challenges to gardening. Temperature. Identify hot spots in the landscape, providing ideal planting sites for heat-sensitive plants. Water and drainage. Identify areas in the landscape where water collects. Low spots and areas surrounding drain spouts tend to be wet. Soil. Many structures are necessary and cannot be altered, the air conditioner or utility box. Landscaping goals. Landscaping goals. Before you begin to plan the landscape or planting, clearly identify your goals. Create a rough plan. Once you have identified your wants and needs in the landscape. For landscaping tips and maintenance services, visit our website, avlandscapinguae.com.